Frustrated with chasing down clients for overdue payments? We know how unpaid sessions or delays can throw off your cash flow and eat up your time. Hey, I'm Lisa from Scale Mastery, and today I'm going to show you how to automate your billing process with reminders that help you get paid on time, every time. Imagine never having to send another manual invoice reminder again. I'll walk you through setting up automatic billing and payment reminders to reduce payment delays. Plus, stay until the end, and you'll get access to a pre-made template that does all the work for you. So let's dive in. First, go to your HighLevel dashboard. Locate the left-hand menu and click on Automation. This is where we'll set up workflows to manage billing reminders. Click the Create Workflow button. A pop-up will appear asking whether you want to use a template or start from scratch. Select the Start from Scratch option. Name your workflow something like Billing Reminder. Click the Add New Trigger button. Search for Invoice in the Trigger library. Select it and configure the trigger as Invoice Status is Sent. This ensures the workflow starts as soon as an invoice is generated. Click Save Trigger to move on. Now let's add actions to send billing reminders. Click the Add New Action button. Search for and select the Send Email action. Configure the email. Subject line: Your invoice is ready. Include details like the invoice number, amount, and payment link. Use placeholders like Hi, client name, your invoice. Invoice number: For amount is ready. Please use the link below to make your payment. Payment link. Thank you. Attach the invoice, if applicable. Click. Save action. Next, set up a payment reminder after 3 days. Click Add New Action again and select the Wait action, setting it for 3 days. Save the Wait action, then add another Send Email action with a polite reminder. Subject line: Friendly reminder, payment due. Hi, client name. Just a friendly reminder that your invoice, datontage invoice number, is due. If you've already paid, thank you. If not, here's the link again. Payment link. Best regards, your business name. Click Save Action. After 5 days, send an SMS reminder. Add a wait action for 2 more days. Then click Add New Action and select Send SMS or Email. Write a short, clear message. Hi, client name. Your invoice. Invoice number is still due. Pay here. Save the SMS action. To ensure no payments slip through the cracks, add a follow-up escalation. Add another wait action for 2 more days. Then add a Send Email action with the subject line. Subject line: Urgent, invoice, past due. Politely request payment and mention any late fees, if applicable. Lastly, we'll mark the workflow as complete when payment is received. Click plus Add New Trigger and select Payment Received. Add a Send Thank you email action. Hi, client name. Thank you for your payment. Your invoice. Invoice number is now settled. Let us know if there's anything else we can assist you with. Best regards, your business name. Save, and publish your workflow by toggling the active switch and clicking the Save button. And there you have it. Ready to take control of your cash flow? Use our exclusive link in the description to start a 30-day free trial with Go HighLevel, double the usual trial length, and instantly access our done-for-you billing reminder template. Say goodbye to unpaid sessions and hello to smooth, reliable payments. If this video helped you, hit subscribe for more automation tips to scale your coaching business. Check out our next video on building a lead magnet funnel to bring in more clients. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Automation doesn't just save time, it keeps your business running smoothly. See you in the next video.